What's up, Pocketers? How are you doing? So, today we are going to learn in our Pocket Language Portuguese course the nationalities and the countries. Today we are going to learn how to say where we are from and our nationality in Portuguese, okay? So, when we want to say the country we are from, we say Sou do Brasil, I'm from Brazil. Sou da França, I'm from France. Sou dos Estados Unidos, I'm from the United States. One more time. Sou do Brasil. Sou da França. Sou dos Estados Unidos. And when we want to say the nationality, we say sou brasileiro, I'm Brazilian. Sou americana, I'm American. Sou francês, I'm French. So, sou brasileiro. Sou americana. Sou francês, okay? So, examples. I'm from Brazil, I'm Brazilian. My friend is from the United States, he's American. My friend is from Italy, she's Italian, okay? So, I'm from Brazil, eu sou do Brasil. Eu sou brasileiro. Meu amigo é dos Estados Unidos, ele é americano. Meu amigo é da Itália, minha amiga é da Itália, ela é italiana. Okay, so let's repeat together some nationalities. Brasileiro, brasileira, Brazilian. Americano, americana, American. Francês, francesa, French. Italiano, italiana, Italian. Espanhol, espanhola, Spanish. Japonês, japonesa, Japanese. Alemão, alemã, German. Português, portuguesa, Portuguese. Mexicano, mexicana, Mexican. Argentino, argentina, Argentinian. Okay? So, let's go to the dialogue. Let's practice a short dialogue. I say, oi, de onde você é? Hi, where are you from? You answer, sou do Brasil. I'm from Brazil. And then you can switch with someone you like, okay? You ask, de onde você é? And the person answers, sou dos Estados Unidos, sou americana. I'm from the US, I'm American, okay? So, today we learned how to say our country and nationality in Portuguese. In our next class, we're gonna talk about professions, okay? So, hope you have a great day, a great weekend, enjoy it, and see you in the next class, okay? Package, go!